MTD Network this week, what's been going on? Well, first of all, you're not going to say red button, hit that button to get some quotes for any components that you need manufacturing. Then blue button if you're going to join MTD Network, get access to those quotes and also promote your company. So what has been going on? Well, if you scroll up quickly, there we go. Quantum Precision, known for their turn parts, so sliding head and fixed head. They've got a brand new website, so have a look, showcasing exactly what Jim Lawrence and the team will do. What else has been going on? Well, Wilbar have got some capacity here. It is on their sliding head lathes. We've also got Rend. They've been routing around, known for their 3D printing and their milling, but they've also got a large router. So any work like that, get in contact with the guys down in Henley. We've also got Anvil, press tool manufactured by Nerk Precision Engineering. He's been in the industry for years, but it's a new company, Nerk Precision Engineering. Watch that space for that one. So if you need anything like that, get in contact with Conrad. Rotec, state-of-the-art machine shop, known for all sorts of different aspects, milling, turning, but they've also been making some fixturing for Aston Martin, so impressive stuff. Get in contact with them there. Now, what else has been going on? So what's trending? Well, you can see right here, first of all, Thermofax. They do heat treatment. Now, this part, 6 meters wide, 10 tons in weight. They had to take the doors off the machine shop or the factory to get it through the door for that heat treatment. So a nice little story there. Looking forward to doing some videos. What else has been going on? Well, Wilbar have got some spare capacity and they've also recently purchased some Hypermill software so they can make some real complex components and on their new 5-axis machine. So get in contact with the guys there at Wilbar. So it's Gareth and the team. And Beard and Fitch, known for their gear cutting and hobbing, but they've also manufactured a spooling system for a mine sweeper. So have a look at that, a really interesting little story. And Melesh, known for nuts and bolts, but they also do a lot of fantastic components. They've got some new machines coming through the door very soon, so we're looking forward to doing some videos with them. That's it for this week. You know what I'm going to say? Red, so if you do need some components manufactured, hit that red button. And if you'd like to join MTD Network, hit the blue button. It's as simple as that.